Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today DC just filed a Form 8K announcing a CEO change, and I am seeing one shift that could signal a new direction. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. Dakota Gold Corp is changing its top leader, and it looks like a transition focused on operational growth. Dakota Gold Corp has filed a current report, which is like a public announcement for important company events. This one tells us about some big changes happening at the very top of the company. First off, Dr. Robert Quartermain, who has been the Chief Executive Officer, Director and Board Co-Chair, has announced his retirement from the CEO role. His retirement as CEO is set to take effect on the 18th of August 2026. The company is thanking him for his service, and he will still stay on as a director and board co-chair. This means he is stepping away from the day-to-day running of the company, but will still have a hand in guiding its future from a board level. But the big news is who is taking over. On the 27th of July 2026, the board of directors appointed Jack Henris to become the new chief executive officer, also starting the 18th of August 2026. And that is not all. Mr. Henris is also joining the board of directors at the same time. This is a significant move as the company brings in new leadership. Let's look at who Jack Henris is. He is 63 years old and brings a ton of experience, over 35 years in the mining world. He has got a degree in geological engineering from the South Dakota School of Mines and Technology. Importantly, he has already been with Dakota Gold since the 1st of June 2025, serving as the company's president and chief operating officer. This means he knows the company well and has been involved in its operations. Before joining Dakota Gold, he had some top roles at other mining companies. He was Chief Operating Officer for Hycroft Mining, and before that he spent 12 years with Newmont Mining in various management and engineering positions. He also worked as a senior mining consultant and held vice president roles at Gold Corp and Barrick. His experience spans open pit mining and heap leach developments, which are key methods in gold extraction. He even has past experience with Homestake Mining Company, which is a historically significant name in gold mining in South Dakota. This background suggests a leader with deep operational knowledge and a proven track record in the mining sector. Now, let's talk about his compensation. As the new Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Henris will receive an annual base salary of $360,000. This salary will be reviewed each year by the board. On top of that, he is eligible for an annual discretionary bonus of up to 75% of his base salary if the company hits certain performance goals set by the board. He'll also receive long-term incentive compensation of at least $630,000 with specific details on how that vests determined by the board. It's pretty standard executive compensation, tying a good chunk of his pay to company performance. Since he is now an employee and the CEO, he will not be considered an independent director and therefore will not serve on any board committees or get paid for his director role. The filing also clarifies that there are no special deals or understandings behind Mr. Henris's appointment. He doesn't have any family ties to current directors or executives, and he doesn't have any direct or indirect interest in any significant company transactions that need to be disclosed, meaning he is coming into the role with a clean slate from a disclosure perspective. This part of the filing is about a press release that was issued on the 29th of July 2026 announcing these leadership changes. The press release is included as an exhibit with this report. Essentially, this section is just informing everyone that the company has officially communicated this news to the public. Among the exhibits filed with this report, you'll find Exhibit 99.1, which is the press release dated the 29th of July 2026. This is the official statement detailing the leadership transition. There is also Exhibit 104, which is the cover page interactive data file. Finally, the report is signed by Sean Campbell, who serves as the Chief Financial Officer, dated the 29th of July 2026. This confirms the authenticity of the filing on behalf of Dakota Gold Corp. Looking at the bigger picture, this leadership change at Dakota Gold Corp seems like a strategic move. The company is bringing in someone with extensive operational experience in the mining sector, someone who already understands the company's current business. This suggests a focus on execution and potentially driving growth from existing projects. With Dr. Quartermain remaining on the board, there is continuity, but the handover to Mr. Henris at the CEO level signals a clear intention to leverage his deep industry background. It will be interesting to see how his operational expertise translates into future company performance, and if he can build on the company's recent announcements about projects like the Richmond Hill Oxide Heap Leach Gold project. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps. And subscribe for more deep dives. Check out the Discord in the description.